saying that. Please don't panic on me. Don't commit suicide.
Can I like cross my legs up here?
No. You're not gonna die. You're not dying. You're perfectly fine. It's so nice up here. You're not gonna die. You're fine. See?
You can't fly.
Bob's fine. Bob's perfectly fine. Don't you dare! Then I'll throw you off and make you forget about it. Walk your ass to the pet center. Nobody's really on this ride today. That's because what?
Seatbelts don't work.
You're fine, you big baby. Look, Kidway! I loved Kidway when I was younger. It was the most funnest thing at the fair. And then I grew up. And then it wasn't so much fun anymore because I was too small to fit into the stuff. Or too big.
Everything. Bracelet. Somebody got the bracelet. Somebody got the bracelet.
No, don't you dare. I'll drop you.
Can I throw Bob into the other one?
Look at all the people down there. Hi, people. No. You better not throw them or I'll kick your ass.
Into that one.
I will hurt you. Look at all the people. Yeah, but he's mine. He's my Bob. I actually got him here at the fair last year. No! Be nice to my Bob. He's my Bob. And no,
What I'm
he's
gonna
not.
do next time we go on this thing, I'm gonna have like a random stuffed animal, and then I'm gonna take pets and throw it to them.
Person! You're fine.
Why?
Chill. Would you freak if I said it goes backwards?